Welcome, everyone. Today on Tokyo Tales, we meet Emi, a graphic designer in Tokyo. She has a big challenge, a new project that is very difficult. It's not just about design, it's also about language and understanding different cultures. Join us on an exciting journey with Emi. Watch her work hard in her office and learn English with lots of energy. Emi is ready to face every challenge. Emi works very hard and learns a lot. She never gives up. It is not just about work. It's about learning, trying hard, and doing well in the big city of Tokyo. A new day in Tokyo. As the sun rises over Tokyo, the city comes to life with its unique blend of tradition and modernity. In a small apartment in the Asakusa district, Emi, a graphic designer, begins her day. Tokyo, a city where ancient temples stand alongside towering skyscrapers, is not just her home, but her canvas of inspiration. Emi, a local Tokyoite, navigates her daily life with a mix of Japanese customs and a sprinkling of English phrases, often used in professional settings. The unexpected project. At work, Emi faces an unexpected challenge. Her team is assigned to design a brochure for an international client, and the brief is entirely in English. While Emi understands basic English, the technical jargon in the document makes her anxious. She struggles to interpret the client's requirements and worries about miscommunicating crucial details. Cultural and linguistic hurdles. The project deadline looms and the pressure mounts. Emi realizes that misinterpretation could lead to a significant setback in her career. The language barrier, a common issue in cosmopolitan Tokyo, now becomes her personal obstacle. Embracing growth and learning, determined to overcome this hurdle, Emi enrolls in an intensive English language course. She also seeks help from her colleague Hiroshi, who has lived in the United States and is fluent in English. Together, they decipher the client's requirements. Emi's commitment to learning and Hiroshi's assistance prove to be a perfect combination. Success and recognition. Thanks to her efforts, the project is a success. The client praises the brochure for its creativity and clarity. Emi's boss recognizes her dedication and offers her the opportunity to lead more international projects. Her newfound confidence in English opens doors to exciting career prospects.
Let's go over some new vocabulary. Vocabulary 1. Collaborate. First word, collaborate. It means to work jointly on an activity or project, like teamwork. So you can say it's essential to collaborate effectively to achieve success. Vocabulary 2. Innovative. Innovative is our next word. It refers to something featuring new methods, advanced and original. The innovative design of the brochure impressed the client. Vocabulary 3. Constraint. Constraint. It refers to a limitation or restriction. Like, we face several constraints while working with a limited budget. Vocabulary 4. Miscommunication. Miscommunication. This happens when the message is not conveyed or understood correctly. So you could say, to avoid miscommunication, we should clarify our project goals from the start. So, vocabulary 5. Intensive. Intensive. This refers to concentrated and comprehensive in terms of effort or resources. So you could say Emi enrolled in an intensive English course to improve her skills. Vocabulary 6. Canvas. Canvas. It's a surface you paint on, but it also means a place where many different things can happen. You could say Tokyo is a canvas of diverse cultures and activities. Vocabulary 7. Hurdles. A hurdle is an obstacle or difficulty. You could say, we faced many hurdles while working on the project. Vocabulary 8. Decipher. To decipher something means to succeed in understanding, interpreting, or identifying something complex. So, together we deciphered the client's requirements. Vocabulary 9. Setback. A setback is something that gets in the way of your progress. You can use it as the language barrier was a setback at the beginning of the project. Vocabulary 10, misinterpretation. Misinterpretation means understanding something in a way that's different from what was intended, like a mix-up in communication. Like a misinterpretation of the design brief could have led to a poor outcome. Vocabulary 11, jargon. Jargon means special words or expressions used by a profession or group that are difficult for others to understand. Like, the technical jargon in the brief was challenging for me. Vocabulary 12, skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings found in cities. The skyscrapers in Shinjuku create a stunning skyline. Imi, you've come a long way since we started this project. How do you feel?
Honestly, Hiroshi, it feels surreal. I never thought I'd be able to handle such a challenge. Remember how I panicked on the first day?
I do, but you tackled it head on. What was the turning point for you?
It was the day I accidentally mixed up deadline with lifeline in a meeting. It was embarrassing, but it made me realize that mistakes are part of learning. That's when I decided to enroll in the English course.
And you did brilliantly, but it wasn't just about the language, was it?
No, it was more than that. It was about understanding a different culture, a different way of thinking, like how we had to explain the concept of ma to our client, the beauty of space and silence in Japanese design.
Ah, yes, that was a fascinating discussion. Speaking of culture, how was your experience with the American client?
Surprisingly smooth. Once I got past the language barrier, I realized we shared a common passion for design.
That's great to hear. It sounds like you didn't just overcome a challenge, you made a friend.
Exactly. And the best part, I've been invited to collaborate on their next project in New York. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to check out our previous videos. And there's more to come. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel English for Tomorrow, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. This way, you'll always be updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.